Chinese smartphone manufacturer Realme, or that is a sub-brand of BBK Electronics that holds rights for Vivo, Oppo and OnePlus, has been boasting about an upcoming smartphone on Twitter. The upcoming device will be called the Realme U1 and is a photography-oriented smartphone. Additionally, it will be the first handset to feature the latest MediaTek Helio P70 processor. The device is set to launch on the 28th of November and the latest leak reveals its detailed specifications. Welcome back to QatNip and come on, let's learn together. The leak suggests that the upcoming Realme U1 has a 6.3-inch IPS LCD display with a resolution of 2340x1080 pixels and hence a density of 409 pixels per inch. It has a curved 2.5D glass as it is the norm nowadays and a screen-to-body ratio of about 90.8%. The screen has Corning Gorilla Glass 3 to protect it against scratches, but don't expect it to be of much help since it's already 3 generations old. Under the hood, the smartphone features the octa-core MediaTek Helio P70 coupled with a Mali G72 GPU. The processor runs at a max frequency of 2.1 GHz and the core count of the GPU is not yet known. In terms of memory and storage, the smartphone is available in 2 options, one with 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage and the other having 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of onboard storage. There is also option to expand the memory via a microSD card up to 256 GB. Realme claims that the photography will be the key selling factor of the Realme U1. According to the leak, the smartphone has a 25 megapixel front-facing Sony IMX576 sensor which has an aperture of f/2.0. The device has a 13 plus 2 megapixel rear camera sensor duo along with LED flash. It will be coming powered by a 3500 mAh battery and the company will ship a standard 5V 2A that is 10W charger in the box. However, information regarding connectivity options is currently unavailable, but as we can expect, the device will have all the standard connectivity options along with 4G, that is dual 4G VoLTE support. The Realme U1 is expected to be a sub 15,000 Indian rupees or $200 smartphone, but the exact price is currently unavailable. It will be only made official during the launch, which is of course set for the 28th of this month, and like other Realme smartphones, this will also be available only via online platforms. So that's it for this video and we hope you liked it. A million thanks to our dear subscriber family for your continuous love and support, and until next time, stay tuned for more.